In this video, we're going to be solving equations using square roots and cubed roots. So here we have an equation, 216 is equal to x cubed. You might be asking, how do we get x by itself when we have this x cubed here? Well, you're going to take a cubed root, right? Because taking the cubed root of x cubed will get x by itself. So what I do on one side of the equation, I have to do on the other. So we're going to take the cubed root of 216. How do we do that, right? How do I find the cubed root of 216? Well, what I'm looking for is what number, when multiplied by itself 3 times, would give me 216, right? I'm starting with the number 6 here. So if I have 6 times 6, right, that's 36, and times another 6 would give me 216, right? So what that means is that 6 cubed, right, is equal to 216, and as I said, the cubed root cancels out that cube number, and so my x value here is just going to be 6. So we started with x cubed, we took the cubed root of both sides here, cubed root of 216 is 6, and that's my x value. Let's take a look at another problem here. All right, they're asking what is the side length s of the square below? And in this square they show that the area equals 100 meters squared. So to find the area of a square, that's your side length s squared. And they told us that the area here is 100. So we have 100 equals, pardon my squiggly zeros there, equals s squared. Now, just like before, here they're using a square root because a square root is what's going to cancel out my squared here. I just want to get s by itself. In the last example, we used a cubed root because we had an x cubed. Square root is going to be used to get rid of the squared here. So likewise, I'm doing the square root of 100. Right? Square root of 100 we know is 10. Right? So each side of the square measures to be 10 meters. Now, they ask, why are there two possible solutions to the equation x squared equals 100? You'll notice that there's a plus minus sign here. That's because negative 10, right, times negative 10 would still be 100. However, for this problem, right, you can't have negative 10 meters of a square here. So we're going to use the positive number since we're dealing with a length here. Cubic numbers could be positive or negative. So if you're given a positive cubic number, your answer is going to be positive.